When they kill the power.
Turn on the power a little bit? The voltage?
Turn it up?
Yeah. Okay. Put it back down.
Oh.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
So that's the meter, resistors.
And the transistor.
What is the transistor?
There.
Oh, that's the transistor?
Yeah.
That,
It's connected to the ground.
power supply.
Okay. Cable. Alright, so these go to the power supply. These go to ground and the first resistor.